But guys, I believe we're doing great today and happy new year in advance. Today, I want to show you how you can quickly create this crossover service flyer on your Android smartphone using your Pixellab. So now, as you see this was actually created on my Pixellab. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to determine the kind of size we want. I actually use this kind of a size for me to be able to have all the content be controlled and contained inside this flyer. So we need to, if you have your own background, you don't need to stress yourself setting this. You just automatically upload your background. This 820 by 1024. But I do not need this. What I'm going to do next is go into three line dot here and go to use image from gallery, where I'm going to select import the background. This is just the background I got. And how do I got this? It was generated using the AI. So having gotten this, then the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in other elements. AI has been a helping tool for designers if you know how to use it in the right way. And that is why tutorials are there for you to learn and train away there for you to invest on. So the next thing we're going to do is to import the 3D text effect. I generate this exactly the way it was exactly from AI. Regenerating this, then you are going to bring it here. The background was removed and everything was just gotten exactly the way I described it to AI. Then after gotten this, what I'm going to do now is to bring in the label, which I'm going to just position under that. Position that, then I'm going to lock it. So we can actually copy exactly what was here by moving it and reducing it to this particular part. So I'm going to import the logo for the church for me to be able to have a full control over this design. After this has been placed, I'm going to lock it as well. Then looking at the bottom part of the design, there are first services, which is 8:30 to 6:30 to 9:30. So I'm going to go in there, then put a first services after erasing the default text. So we have the first services. I think it's first service, that is 6:30 to 9:30 a.m. So I'm going to use a font called Multizera. Multizera, the italicized one. And this is it. So selecting that, I'm going to reduce the size very well. Position it here. Now the spacing between the first and the last, I'm going to adjust it. And if possible, centralize to the center. Okay, cool. Now the next thing I'm going to do is last services, which is 10 to 12 a.m. Last services. Last service, 10 to 12 a.m. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to this is 10 to 12 a.m. I'm going to bring this one, then position it here. Okay, perfect. So reducing the size will be better for me to be able to have control over the whole design. Let's say 20. So we shall reduce this to 20 as well. Position it here. Now the next thing is we have the day where the service is going to occur. So we have Wednesday. Wednesday should be the landscape as well. That is why this was scrapped. Sure. What I'm going to do is reducing the size a bit to 17. Now let there be space in between or no space. We're going to reject and put everything in default. Okay, so moving this toward this will be better so that the line text, the third text will be able to have dominion, the sense of belonging to that area. So you can adjust it, make sure everything is uniform. So after this has been done, we have our December 2026. 2025, that's 35. So we have our December 2025. Put a dot here. Okay, boom. Now use the relative position to quickly place it where it's supposed to be. So having this here, we are going to shift this one up a bit so that we place this one. Okay. So let's reduce this a bit so that it will be able to have a style. Okay. So after that, we have the date, which is 31st. We change the font, okay, to, let's say, 31st. So let's move this quick one. Reduce the size to 15. Now position it, let's say, cool. So now we are going to put a kind of a demarcation line. Okay, 1, then adjust very well to 15. So we can do the same thing here. Okay, perfect. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put in the text area. So we have House on the Rock International City. House on the Rock International City. So we'll quickly go to font type and then we'll use an Archivo or Multizera. So let's use a Multizera medium. Then we increase the size, have it positioning here. So we can centralize. Okay, perfect. So after that has been done, we have beside the Holy Hope. Okay, beside the Holy Hope Abijah. So we're going to quickly use the 30 font. You can actually get all the materials and everything at the description of this video for your practice or for your own design. So position the here, let there be more space in between the two. You can space a bit and boom, we have our design ready in less than 10 minutes. So now having know what you do is what matters here and do it properly. So the last but not the least is to copy this text area and put that present. So we have a present. So space it very well. So we're going to position it around there. Change the color to black will be better. Bold it a bit if possible. Increase the size a bit. Okay, reduce the spacing between the two. And we are good to go. So when you see, we already create exactly what we just have here. So we can see, right? So this is just how you can create crossover flyer for any kind of church services on your Android smartphone using your Pixellab. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next class. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon if you want to see a kind of tutorial like this. And check the description area. I will drop the link to the PLP here, to the PLP for this design. Endeavor to extract the password on this video and have it edited to your test if you want to save your time. So thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.